Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Way to Learn. I'm Shalja Tripathi and today's topic of discussion is transportation of food and other substances in plant. So the transport of food and other substances is referred to as translocation. Translocation is an active process, that is, energy will be required in the form of ATP. So this translocation process has been explained by mass flow hypothesis. So let's see what the hypothesis says. See, source in plant source cells are referred to those cells where sucrose or photosynthetic product is being prepared, that is leaves. And sink cells are referred to those cells where there is energy requirement like bud or meristematic tissues which are forming new leaves and helping the plant to, that is tip of the plant which is helping it to grow, or those cells where food is being stored like stem, roots, etc. So according to this hypothesis, source cells that are preparing sucrose, this sucrose will be transported into the phloem tissues. And for this process, ATP will be required. So the transportation of sucrose from the source cell into the phloem tissues will require energy. So this process is ATP requiring process. Once the sucrose is put into the phloem tissues, water from the surrounding cells including the xylem vessels, it will move into the phloem tissues. This will increase the osmotic pressure and this will set solute in motion from high osmotic pressure region towards the low osmotic pressure region. So solutes will start moving from high osmotic pressure region to low osmotic pressure. So it will be downward, upward, wherever there is low osmotic pressure region. And then the solute will be put into the sink cells by the process of diffusion. So one must understand there are few key points that you must always answer in your mention in your answer. Firstly, it is a active transport, that is energy will be required. Water from the surrounding cells will move into the phloem tissue. Water will start moving into the phloem tissues. This will increase the osmotic pressure and this will set solute in motion. Then solute will be put into the sink cell by the process of diffusion. Hope you understood the topic well. Please like, share and subscribe and enable the notification bell. Thank you so much.